If you need to log in to your Namecheap private email, this video will walk you through the process step by step so you can get into your mailbox quickly and without confusion. We'll start from your Namecheap account, open the private email section, find the correct mailbox, and then sign in with your email address and password. If this tutorial helps you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software and web tutorials. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Namecheap. You can do that by typing ap.www.namecheap.com into the address bar or by using the link in the description if you have one available. Once the page loads, make sure you are signed in to the correct Namecheap account that owns your private email service. This is important because if you're logged into the wrong account, you may not see the email service you're looking for. After you're inside your Namecheap dashboard, look for the private email option. It should be listed in your account area or in the left side menu, depending on your layout. Click on Private Email to open the Email Management section. This is where Namecheap keeps the mailbox details, subscription information, and login options for your private email service. Next, you'll want to click Manage. This button takes you to the specific email subscription page where your domain email account is listed. If you have more than one subscription or domain connected to your account, take a moment to choose the correct one so you don't log into the wrong mailbox. Once the subscription page opens, scroll down until you see the Mail section. Here, you should find a Login button right next to your mailbox or email address. Click OLEGNS to launch the private email webmail sign-in page. This is the point where Namecheap redirects you into the actual email login area for that mailbox. On the sign-in screen, enter your full email address and the password associated with that private email account. Be careful to type everything correctly, especially if your password has capital letters, numbers, or special characters. If your browser offers to save the password, only use that if you are on a private and secure device. After you enter your login details, click Sign In to access your inbox. If your credentials are correct, your mailbox will open and you'll be able to read, send, and manage your emails. If you run into issues, double-check that you're using the correct email address tied to your Namecheap subscription and that your password is up to date. Also, make sure your subscription is active, because expired email services can prevent access. And that's it. You've successfully logged in to Namecheap private email. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy step-by-step tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.